Hi everyone, I'm Anne from Simple Joy with Anne. Today I'm giving you a tour of my kids' multi-purpose room. We've turned this 10 by 15 room into a playroom, a home gym, a music room, and a guest room. So let's take a look.
So my kids love Legos, and these are placed on a shelf sort of near the entrance to our multi-purpose room. And when we play, we like to do little stories. So I make these with my son, who's 7 years old now. And these are great that we can just pick up one of these 12 by 12 plates, and each one kind of tells a different story because it came from a different set. And putting it on these plates makes it super easy to move. And then we just have some books. These are like the oversized books that we keep on the bottom of the floor, so it's very easy for him to access. Opposite of that Lego shelf, I have this display with toys that my sons have outgrown, but they're not ready to let go yet. So it's nice to just be able to display them, or if we have a play date with younger kids, then we have these available. And as we come into the room, I have a basket for different exercise equipment. And that's because our multi-purpose room is now also a home gym. We put my son's bike on a stand, so now it's a stationary bike. And then we have this very compact rowing machine that used to be in a closet, but now it can be out. And so the kids use this all the time. In this wide shot, you can see that even though it's only a 10 by 15 room, we managed to fit a lot in here, but it still looks pretty spacious. And if we ever have guests come over, this rowing machine, we can stand it up and put it in the closet. We can move the drum set a little bit further back to the corner, park the bike in the hallway. Then we can actually fit a queen size air mattress in here for our guests. Down here in this media cabinet, we just have loose Lego pieces, and if they have any more special pieces that they need, we keep it in a smaller case. And we always use a timer. This is a visual timer called a time timer, so the kids always know how much time they have left to play in here or how much time they need to clean up. My son's been taking drum lessons for a couple of years, so he has his drum kit that he can play with. We got some guitar here, so this is like the music room. And over here is their Lego city. Playing Legos is something that we love to do as a family. There I am with my Lego Marie Kondo from the video that I made. And so because they love it so much, we pretty much before dedicated this whole room to their Lego building. But sometimes we have guests that need to stay in here, and I needed to find a way to make Lego City more mobile than taking up the whole carpet. So I got these carts that allows us to wheel it away, and also it's 2 layers. So now instead of taking up a whole square on the floor, we've now only taken a little bit of this wall. Since this room was a bedroom, it had a closet, but I had the bars, hanging bars removed, and purchased these 2 IKEA shelves that happens to fit almost exactly. And so these are the additional Legos that they have. Toys, like in this bin is their dress up, some sports stuff, and then just they each have their own bin of the toys that they like. And this, if you saw my other stop motion video, this is the case with some toys that they can take to grandma's. And then over here, just, you know, more things that they've built on their own that they want to keep on display. Like this is a board game that my son came up with out of Legos.
And you know what's the best part about this room? Is that I don't have the stress of cleaning up after the kids. It's already built into their routine, and the way that we've set up the organization, it's super easy for them to do it by themselves. So I hope you got lots of great ideas from this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.